There can be very few ports we visit which have such a rich and illustrious history, or one which holds such a special place in our hearts as Malta. This tiny island, which is just 316 square kilometres, also has one of the smallest and most beautiful capital cities, Valletta, built by the proud Knights of St John. At every turn, its honey-coloured stone, Medina's Baroque and medieval architecture, the fortified walls, majestic palaces, temples and churches represent 7,000 years of fascinating history. Malta and P&O are intrinsically linked, as we first visited Malta in 1843 with the ship Tagus under the commander of W.M. Simons, and we have been coming here ever since. That's quite a relationship. Our P&O Cruises guests today fly directly to Malta to join Azura, with their luggage going straight to their cabin door. Guests are immediately struck by the scenic port, the busy harbour with its coloured fishing boats and the views from the Baraka Gardens. While we have 6 ships sailing from Southampton this summer, Malta is our fly cruise home port and gateway to the Eastern Med and the Greek islands for weekly summer holidays direct to the sun. There are so many experiences for our guests to enjoy in Malta, organised by our ground handlers 2020 DMC Malta, including boat trips, stunning caves and lagoons, historical tours and wonderful dining with savoury dishes which take influence from Italy and North African cuisine, as well as fantastic pastries. We're also working with the government on the restoration of the Siege Bell Tower, which is of great historical significance, certainly worth a visit. Malta's beaches really are stunning. Last month, 25 team members from Azura were also involved in a local beach clean on the coastal hills of Golden Bay Beach and Riviera Beach. Involvement in these community projects in the destinations we visit is so important to us, and this is something we will certainly continue to do in the future. We know from your feedback that dining is a key component of any holiday, and all of our Mediterranean itineraries have an abundance of choice both on board and on shore. Whether it's a beachside cafe or one of the time-out markets in Barcelona, Lisbon or Porto, these are what holiday memories are made of. This summer also sees the launch of a very special talent competition in association with our musical director, Gary Barlow. Keep an eye on our social media pages very soon for more details on how to enter or vote for your favourite. Talking of voting, we are delighted to have been nominated for the Best No-Fly Cruise Line and Best Cruise Line for Family Holidays in the prestigious British Travel Awards. If you could spare a moment to vote for us, we would be very grateful. You may have also seen that there is a new 2-night sailing on Iona in October next year. This would make an ideal quick getaway, and we hope to have a few surprises on board. Our range of P&O Cruises shore experiences has also expanded, and there are now so many to choose from in each port. Whether you want a relaxing, informative tour, an independent escape, a thrill-seeking adrenaline rush, or simply to see the best sights in each destination, we have it covered. There is also a 10% discount for any tours booked before your departure. I wish you all a wonderful summer, and I look forward to seeing you on board very soon.